Hello, beautiful babes. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Today, I have an amazing treatment for you. One that had me super excited to try. And if you're ready to know exactly what I got on my sleeves today, keep on watching. We're going to be talking about egg yolks. That's right, egg yolk hydration. I got a good one for you today, and I'm going to show you how to easily mix that up. Now, first, we're starting with 1 egg yolk. Eggs can be used in improving skin texture, be it dry or oily. Egg yolks are rich in fatty acids, which can lend moisture to the skin. We'll be using 1 egg yolk today. Egg yolks are made up of mostly water and fats, which makes them a great water binding agent that locks moisture into the skin, leaving your face soft and supple. Egg yolks works wonders for people with dry or flaky skin. The nutrients in egg yolks work to hydrate, nourish, and moisturize dull skin. Then we'll be taking a half teaspoon of glycerin. Glycerin has amazing benefits for the skin, but it primarily serves to hydrate and help it hold moisture. One of glycerin's biggest benefits is to help shield the skin from environmental sources of irritation, working with emollients and oils to make dry skin feel amazingly soft and supple. We then will take 1 tablespoon of coconut milk powder. The natural fatty acids in coconut milk help treat dry and irritated skin and remove harmful bacteria. It also helps sunburns by cooling the skin and reducing pain, swelling, and redness. The coconut milk powder will give you a youthful glow on your skin. It contains high concentrations of vitamins and minerals. And it'll also help boost collagen. And then finally, we'll be taking a half teaspoon of sunflower seed oil. Sunflower seed oil is a great source of vitamin E, rich in nutrients and antioxidants, and is effective in combating skincare issues like acne, inflammation, general redness, and irritation of the skin. Sunflower oil has emollient properties that help the skin retain its moisture. Now it's time to mix it all up. Just take a fork or a spoon and mix it as well as you can. Now I love this. I love using my little frother here, which will actually get all the clumps and the bumps out because the coconut milk does tend to stick together a lot. So make sure you blend it all well. Now, once you have it all mixed up together, it is time to apply it to the face. Now, I'm always asked the question as to what do I use to cleanse my face with, what face wash I use. I use Pear's translucent or transparent soap. I'll have the link in the description box for you, and especially for all of the ingredients that I'm using right here in this video, so be aware of that. And now I'm just putting it on my face, to my hands as well. Hands, neck, chest, face. This can be used wherever you choose. Wherever you're looking for a hydration, this mask is superb for doing that. Leave this on for 20 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Right after this nice mask, this wonderful mask, this amazing mask, the skin will appear more visibly radiant and glowy and feel well hydrated and nourished. Didn't I tell you, beautiful babes? Absolutely amazing. Try your egg yolk hydration mask today. Get beautiful, glowing, moisturized, nourished, hydrated, youthful skin. It can all be yours. Thank you so much for watching, beautiful babes. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And always share your girl with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.